Hey, we're here at Episcopal Homes. We just got done doing a rebuild on the waterfall in what they call their meditation garden. The one before this had a number of problems. It was fairly old. The liner had sunk down on the sides. It was leaking. There was low edges everywhere. So we ripped it out yesterday and spent the day today putting in a new one. I feel it turned out pretty well. The gardener was telling us earlier that the lady who originally designed this space, she says she's about 100 years old and still lives here. So now she'll get to hopefully see it, really come to fruition. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching.